Ah, hey guys, wanted to talk to you quickly about the value of relaxation before any presentation. And I'm here waiting at the lobby right now, sitting down having. I'm actually at the bar, but don't worry, this is just a grape juice. Wanted to talk to you about relaxation. You know, one of the things I find out is many times before a presentation or before a big event or a client meeting or anything else, you need to relax. Most people put too much pressure on themselves because of which they are not able to have the confidence because they are anxious, they have the fear, they have the negative energy moving all around them because they are worried about the flight, they are worried about that PPT, they are worried about what's going to happen to the kids, they're worried about the phone, they're worried about the laptop, and that worry plays out a negative role during your presentation or during your event. You know, we are here, I'm staying here because we have tomorrow and day after we have the confidence speaker conference, and I'm just chilling out with my grape juice for only one reason, that in order for me to give the best to the people who are coming here to learn so much, you know, I have to make sure that I'm being my best. So I generally, before the day before presentation, I don't work a lot. I mean, I just have some good food, I watch some comedy, and then I'm gonna actually have booked a massage at the spa, and for about 1.5 to 2 hours I'm gonna be relaxing, gonna be listening, some writing down, and I think that's very important. Of course, now you might not, your situation might be a little different. You may not have the big events like we do, but maybe you give presentations, maybe you speak on stage sometimes, maybe you have conference calls. So before that, maybe half an hour before, 1 hour before, a day before, 2 days before, make the time to relax yourself. Make sure that you're getting enough sleep, enough relaxation, and that's going to play out. So when you go to that presentation, you're going to be on a flow. A lot of times people say, Vishal, one of the challenges I have is I feel that I'm not able to speak in a natural flow. It's happening because you're putting too much pressure on yourself. So that's my tip. Enjoy yourself. I hope you're having an amazing time, and someday we get to meet and we get to have some grape juice together. Bishal Sarkar here, always reminding you that confidence is not about perfection. It's all about connection.